Okay guys, I'm back. This is going to be a total, I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm going to use all these colors. That's a lot of color. And, oh, I even have some, let's see, some purple. That was some scrape stuff from the table that I said I'd use someday. Well, this is the day. Now I need a little stir stick. See if that is okay to pour with. Yeah, that's kind of thin. Okay, I see some more that I have. That might be cool too. Yep, we're going to use this too. And I have another cup. Look at that. Oops, gotta be careful. It'll splotch out. Okay, because it's my birthday, I think I can make a big mess. So we're gonna make a real big mess out of this. We'll see what we get. Who knows? I have a big canvas, so I'm sure that this is gonna be enough paint. Let's see. That's kind of thin. Maybe a little thinner. Yeah, that's thin enough. Of course, I don't know which ones have silicone and which ones don't, but we'll just put some in here and just hope that the rest sells up enough, right? Maybe this one, because we didn't put any in here. There's a little bit of silicone in here. Okay, we're ready. I'm sure you're all thinking, what are you doing? What are you trying to do? But I just have a feeling that I want to do this. So that's that color. Then some nice turquoise. Then the metallic. And with that metallic, we're going to put in this color. I might even skip a couple of colors because I'm thinking this might be really pretty. And of course this color. This might be really pretty without all the other colors in it. Only this one. I'm really fond of this color. I've never had this color before. So we'll just give it some of that. Let's see. Empty. Empty. Oh, there's a little bit more left in here. That's cool. Yeah, let's just keep it with these colors. I think I can do something with these colors. That's a lot of paint. I think we have enough. This one, oh no, we didn't use all of this. We're going to use that. Okay, now we have a really beautiful mix. A little bit more of the metallic on top of it. That's about it. And we'll just skip that color and this blue. Well, maybe we will put a little bit of the light blue in. Just pour it right in there. See what it does. Okay, that's a lot of color. I'm going to put it smack in the middle. Oops, I'm not sure if this is going to work, guys. Oh, no, this is not going to work. This is a real flimsy cup. Oop, well, it did work. Okay. And release. Ooh. That is looking cool. That we're not going to use. Gonna make it go all over the place. Torch. Oh, that is pretty. This is really pretty. Now this is all pretty much old paint, and as you can see, it works perfectly. Wow, that's a lot of cells. Now let's stretch them a little bit. Put them over the side, a little bit down here. Let it come down here. Wow, that is beautiful. And too bad I'm losing all that blue. Let's bring it back. That's okay. Let's just leave it like this. That is a lot of cells, and that's a lot of cream color. But I sort of think it brings it to life. That's pretty okay for me. Of course, I don't have anything left to do any ribbons or anything, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. I had a little scare because I thought I forgot to put the video on. That would be stupid, me talking to myself. Yeah, what else is new? Okay, this here, not so fond of it. Now this I love, this I love. This is okay. This is a little bit okay, but that here and that here, not too fond of it. What are we gonna do with it? Let's see how I'd hang it. I think I'd hang it like that. No, guys, I'm not digging it. I can't help it. I'm sure someone's gonna say, "Don't you touch it," but I am going to touch it because I don't like it. What can we do? You know what I'm thinking? I should make some more of that turquoise. And then do something with it. Okay, I think I'll stop the video, think about it, mix some paint, and come back later. I think that would be the best thing to do. Because this is not gonna be the painting. It's for me pretty boring. Let's put that there. Okay. I'm thinking what I can do with it. I sort of think if I put ribbons on it and then, you know, tilt it that it goes all swayy and flowy, I think that would look really, really awesome. But then I'd have to lose a little bit more paint off the, and that, now I'm losing the sienna color. I don't want to do that. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have some colors mixed, like I said, turquoises, and of course the sienna color, a little bit more turquoise, other color. Then I want some of that beige. Okay. Now let's see if we can make some really cool ribbons over it. I want to keep that. Don't want to keep this. This I don't care for. We'll see. That's about it. Now we're gonna make it go wavy. That's looking better, but we're not finished yet because I'm gonna put little ones on there too. Now little ones. Gonna put in again turquoise, sienna, turquoise, sienna, a little bit of that color, a little bit more sienna. I kind of like how the sienna is selling. So now we're going to do really thin ones. Oops, that was a stupid one. I have to make that a thick one. Yeah. That is looking better. That's a lot of paint. Yes, this I like. I love that wham motion. Sometimes I really want to, you know, like I said last year, I want to do a really big one. I can imagine standing on the roof and just chucking down paint. That sometimes you feel like doing that. Okay. I think we'll leave it like this. It is a little more color intense when you look at it in real life. Right now on the monitor it's a little washed out, but I'm liking the colors. And it has something here that I might do something to. But I'm thinking about what? I'm not sure yet. But I like the way this moves, the way that moves. Oops, you can't even see it, what I'm talking about. See that? I think it's okay. We'll leave it like this. I'll put it away to dry. Now I have a lot of paint on the table. That's a lot of paint. When I put this together, I'm pretty sure it's going to turn into that antique green, which we don't want. So I'll just take a little bit, see if it sells. Oh, that is kind of pretty all by itself. Okay, that's more than enough. Let's stretch it a little bit, make it pretty. That is pretty. Only a little too thick. Okay, that's better. I like this bit here. Maybe that. Not sure. We'll just let it dry. And see what happens with it. Okay, let's give you guys a little close-up of the paint. There we go. Now, so you can see what it's doing. Look at that. That is kind of cool, isn't it? No, I'm not going to be keeping it because for me it's already turned into one color, so that won't do anything for me. So when you have this, because I have heard a couple of people saying, you know, you can almost not see the cells. That's what's happening right here. The thing is that when your paint is too thin and it mixes already on the canvas, there won't be much. You'll see cells, but they won't be prominent like you're expecting to be, because the mixture sort of gets into each other. It all mixes together and gives you one color, so you won't see those cells that well, but usually they are there. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that. But I'm gonna clean this up in a bit, guys, and call it a day. Gotta do some stuff with the husband. Otherwise he's gonna say, you're in that studio the whole day, even on your birthday. And I was gonna do a resin because, oh yeah, I didn't tell you. While I was drilling holes, one panel is totally okay, but the other panel, my drill got stuck, and I just tried to wiggle it out. Don't do that, people, because the glass broke. So I've killed one of those panels, but well, that's just the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. You can't help it. Ooh, that is nice. That is selling up nice. That is beautiful. I love how those colors all work together. They mingle and do cool stuff. I still have some of this left though. Let's put that in the middle. Okay, let's see what we can do with that. See if that comes up when I torch it. This is sort of a really nice color, and it really sells. What I have experienced that sometimes, depending on the colors you use, you'll get more or less, you'll get really good sales. And one of those colors is the transparent burnt sienna. That's one of those colors that really sell well, as you can see here. And you can't really see the whole thing. Let's see if I push it back a little. Hope my iPad doesn't fall in the paint. Okay, this is really beautiful. I'm not even sure if you're really in focus that well, because I'm seeing a little bit more definition, but you're close up, as you can see. But that is cool, isn't it? Look at that. See how they stretch? Some colors you can do that. I know with the Van Dyke Brown, it doesn't do that. Van Dyke Brown sort of breaks apart. And I remember that when I first started doing this pouring, that I was going to go to a sort of a workshop where they teach you how to make your own acrylic paint. I have been putting that off for like forever, so I might just do that. I might just check out right now and see if there's a one of those workshops going on, and I just love that, and I'll just might just do that. Now you see it's just one color. There's only that much you can play with this, then it all turns to mud. Nice color mud though. Mine are always green like. I know that at the Brothers, his is always grayish. Mine are always green because I use so many. Oh, there was a little bit left. Because I use, oh wow, because I use so much turquoises and blues. There it goes. Okay, enough. I'm gonna clean this mess up. I'm gonna wish you all a beautiful Sunday. Spend some time with your family. Don't watch too many videos. Well, you can if you want to. But, oh, I got some more. Sorry about that. Let me just do one more. Now I have to clean this all up. It's time to do a really big cleanup of the studio anyway, so. This is it, guys. Gotta go. Love you all to pieces, and see you in the next video. I might be doing a resin one upcoming week. I won't wait till the weekend, because I have an order out for a lot of glass, so we can do some of that. Okay, guys? See you later. Love you.